Gumloop just raised $17 million, and I think they're solving the completely wrong problem. Now, Gumloop is a YC-backed company building a no-code platform to help businesses automate workflows between all the apps they use. And on the surface, this makes perfect sense. And while everyone is praising them for fixing the symptom of the app chaos, nobody's asking the most important question. Why does this chaos exist in the first place? Their entire business is built on a foundational crack in how we use software, and today we're going to expose it. And we're not just going to criticize, we're going to use first principles to deconstruct their entire premise. Then we'll use the jobs to be done framework to rebuild a far more valuable and defensible solution from the ground up. It all starts by asking a simple question. Why do businesses need to automate workflows? The obvious answer is because our tools don't talk to each other. But if you keep asking why, you uncover a hidden truth. We've been sold this idea of a best-of-breed software stack, but we ignore the massive hidden cost of stitching it all together. The problem isn't the gap between the apps. The problem is the apps themselves. If you trace the pain to its root, it never ends at a technical task. It always ends at a core business outcome. Gumloop is solving this when the real billion-dollar problem is this. This is where we use jobs to be done. Customers don't want to automate workflows. They want to achieve an outcome. They want to hire a solution to get a bigger job done. And that job is to create a single unified system that eliminates the chaos. So what does a solution that actually solves the real job look like? It's not a better connector. It's a platform that makes connections obsolete. Think of an all-in-one vertical operating system for digital businesses that bundles the CRM, marketing, and support tools together. The workflow is invisible because it's baked into the system. It replaces the problem at its source. This new approach doesn't just create a better product, it creates a better business. Gumloop is stuck on a path of competing with everyone on features, a red ocean. Our reconstructed solution is on a path of market disruption, a wide open blue ocean. And you defend this blue ocean by building a real moat, not just with a better product, but by innovating across the board. You use a different profit model, like outcome-based pricing. You build a proprietary migration process, and you create a product system with incredibly high switching costs. You build a fortress, not just a feature. So, the hidden flaw isn't in Gumloop's code. It's in the problem they chose to solve. They're patching a sinking ship, when the real $100 billion opportunity is to build a new one. And this reveals the accelerator blind spot, a systemic focus on solving immediate, obvious problems that build on the current broken system instead of funding the founders who are crazy enough to challenge the system itself. This was just a short overview. I've written a very detailed breakdown of this entire analysis, including more novel solution concepts on my Substack. The link is down in the description below or in one of the comments. Now, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, which funded startup should I deconstruct next? Thanks for watching.